Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is this Bantu hairstyle. I hope you enjoy this. This is something that you could do if you're going on a lunch day or if you hang with your friends. It's very quick and easy, so I hope you enjoy it. So if you want to keep on watching, stay tuned. So I don't know what happened to my last clip. I think my camera died. So I just part my hair in half. So then once you part your hair, you're gonna part it again in another half, down the middle. It doesn't have to be neat. Just make sure it's part. So it's gonna be in two. So I'm gonna put that one in the front up. So with the back, I'm gonna comb it out so it's nice and smooth. So now I'm taking my coconut oil and spraying that so it's nice and moisturized. So I'm gonna cut that in half. So now I'm gonna twist it. So now I'm gonna twist it around the twist into like a small bun. So next I'm gonna take the one that I just put up, do the same step that I did before, spray it with coconut oil, make sure it's nice and moisturized. Then I'm gonna use some Style gel with my toothbrush and I'm gonna slay my edges. Make sure your edges is nice and slayed because you can't have rough edges. So now I'm gonna take it, part it in half again and twist it. Just twist it. So I'm gonna wrap it around again into a bun. So now I'm gonna do the same step that I did on the other side. Part it in the middle. Put the front up so it's not in my way. So comb the back out so it's nice and smooth. So I'm still combing it. Now I'm using my coconut oil to spray it down to moisturize it. So I'm just smoothing that in. Now I'm parting it. Now I'm twisting it so I can wrap it around. And I'm still twisting it. So it's being still twisted. Now I'm wrapping it around to make a Bantu knot. And I'm wrapping and wrapping. Now I'm taking the front down and I'm doing the same step that I did on the other side. I'm combing it out with my big tooth comb so it's nice and smooth. Then I'm using my Style gel to slay my edges. And I'll make sure my edges are nice and laid. So now I'm taking my hair and I'm parting it in the middle. Now I'm twisting it. I think this step is easier if you twist it instead of wrapping it without twisting it, because you have more nicer like twist curls, I guess you could say. So now I'm wrapping it in the Bantu knot, wrapping it around itself. I know I look crazy, but the end result is beautiful. Make sure my edges are laid. On the other side as well. Now I'm spraying it with my coconut oil so all of it is nice and moisturized so my hair don't dry out, because my hair tends to dry out. So now I'm taking my coconut oil and I'm spraying it everywhere. So when I separate the Bantu knot, it's still nice and moisturized. So now I'm smoothing down my top. Now I'm taking my not coconut oil, my Eco Style gel and my brush, and I'm gonna brush my edges so it's still nice and laid and slayed. Still nice and laid. I love Eco Style gel because it's very, very good and it doesn't dry out your hair. So now I'm separating my hair little by little, and I'm just taking my time to make sure I have it where I want it placed. So you see how I'm just pulling it apart without messing up anything, and I'm just taking my time. So I'm still separating my hair so it's nice and curly. So just take your time while you're doing this, because you can rip your hair out if you do it too hard. So still separating it, and I'm trying to fluff it out so it's nice and fluffy and big to make sure it's placed right, everything is separated. Now I'm doing the other side. I'm just separating piece by piece, just taking my time and separating it. So I hope everyone is having a good New Year's. I know I am. So I'm still separating it, but taking my time. So I'm still separating it to the desired look that I want. Make sure you fluff it out. Make sure you don't see the back part either, so make sure you fluff it. I usually use my hands, but you can use a comb as well, but with a comb it's just gonna comb it out. So you make sure you have it the way you want it to look. Still do your edges again like I do like 3 times. So still I'm fluffing it to make sure I like the way I like it. So now I take my coconut oil again and then moisturize it again. Always moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. You can't go wrong with moisturizing your hair, because it's winter time and it gets dry outside and your hair just gets dry because of the winter. So I just make sure I moisturize my hair so it's not as dry as it can get. So I'm just putting more oil in my hair. Like I said, always moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. So I'm making sure the front looks good. And I'm fluffing it. Still putting more oil. Make sure it's nice and I'm separating it more so I still like it, and fluffing it. And then I shake my head to get more of the loose curls out. So this is the final result of this hair tutorial. I hope you enjoy this. This is very quick and easy. I hope everyone is having a good New Year's. So subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, comment down below, and let me know what you want me to do next on my channel. Thank you.